Those are just our graham cracker crumbs. Spreading that out here. 1 stick of melted butter. Just gonna use my fork to combine the crumbs and butter. Get all of this sticky with that butter. Now that I've got them all covered in butter, I'm just gonna use my spatula here to tamp them all down into an even layer. And if you don't like graham crackers, you can always use vanilla wafer crumbs or whatever kind of cookie crumbs that you enjoy. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this into my freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes to kind of give it a chance to solidify. Alrighty, we just had this in the fridge chilling for about 15 minutes. Now I've got my Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, and I'm just gonna start glopping this on here. Glop, 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 Galapagos Islands to make, and then we're gonna spread this out, and make an even layer of that right on top of this graham cracker crumb crust. Alrighty, now that we've got our cheesecake all spread, I've got some strawberries that we just cut up into smaller pieces here. And I've got some crushed pineapple that I did drain. I tried to get as much of the juice out of this as I could. I put it in a strainer and I kind of pressed it down. I don't know, we're just doing the best we can with that. If anyone's got a hot tip for how you strain crushed pineapple, please leave it in the comments below. And that's perfect. That's some of that already started going because that's what we're gonna do with this. We're just gonna spread this out onto our filling here, onto our cheesecake filling. Y'all, hot tip for y'all, we did use, like I said, a full cheesecake filling on here, but so often we only use half of one and then we keep it in the fridge, but we don't have another immediate, recipe coming up. So just go for it, y'all. Do, treat yourself and use the whole thing. That's about life, right, Marty? Like, why save it for later?
Completely agree.
Completely agree. Live in the now. All right, that looks good. And I'm just kind of pressing this down. Ooh la la. Getting it all in there. Beautiful. Now I've got my defrosted original Cool Whip. And I'm just gonna use my same spatula here. And I'm gonna goop, 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 galop, glop this all on top. And get this, I once again spread into an even layer. And then I'll show you guys what we're doing next. All right, y'all, now we're not done yet. I am gonna add in here some chopped banana pieces. Now they get a little slimy, but they are delicious. They're so good for you. I highly recommend putting your banana pieces in here. You're just gonna love it. And I had about 2.5 bananas, so hopefully that's gonna be enough to do our pattern here. Now that I've got my bananas in place, I'm coming in with a little bit of Hershey's chocolate syrup, and we're gonna go just diagonally across here. I've got a little bit of chopped walnuts. I'm kind of just drizzling in. Love walnuts. You can use a different kind of nut if you don't. And now I've got my maraschino cherries that I did drain and rinse. And I'm gonna pop these into those open spaces and just finish up our beautiful pattern here. Y'all, this is so tasty. I don't know if you can believe me, but this is gonna taste exactly like a banana split. With those bananas in here, our strawberries and pineapple, just giving it a really delicious fresh fruit flavor. Of course, that little bit of chocolate on top, our graham crackers on the bottom, and our cheesecake. These flavors are gonna go together amazingly. Alrighty, y'all. I'm just gonna put this in my fridge for about an hour to chill and all come together. Alrighty, everyone. We have this just sitting in the fridge there to kind of solidify. And I think we are ready to just get on in here and grab ourselves a slice. I am excited. Wow. Okay. Trying to figure out where I'm gonna go in around my, make sure I'm getting all the way down there, breaking up that graham cracker crust to be underneath my slice. Perfect. Look at that. Wow. Onto my plate here. Of course. Now, y'all, the only thing left to do is to try this. Bananas, graham cracker crust, Philadelphia no-bake cheesecake, a little bit of chocolate, walnuts, or cherries. Wow. This is really, really good. Y'all, you gotta try it.